founder Sabri Suby joins me now in the studio.
I really look at business as an incredible vehicle to really make good and make change in the world.
There were a couple of questions online which were to do with timing. How much time should be spent on getting the message through, and if a prospect is not getting something, and another question on how long does it take to build online trust. So just getting an idea of how long, somebody should keep trying to get a deal.
Well, it comes down to like the basic ingredient for a successful business is being able to create much more demand than there is supply. Okay. And it's all going to depend how long you speak with each prospect based on the results of that. Like, how much demand is there? How many leads do you have coming into your business? If you're getting 50 new leads and inquiries every single day, then you're going to have to be short and brief with those people. You're not going to spend 30, 40 minutes on the telephone with somebody that doesn't really get it, because you're in the fortunate position of being spoiled for choice and having so many people to speak to, right? And if you're on the other side of that and you're only getting one inquiry per day, then you're going to spend as long as you need to try and convince that person, right? So what we've found is that like the recipes for building a successful business is just to stack the deck in your favor and just to get so much demand for what it is that you do that you're really in a position where, you can be like, you do have a long line of people that want to do business with you. So you don't need to spend an hour on the telephone with somebody that's just trying to negotiate with you and heckle you on price and get the cheapest offer. And once you can do that, and once you can engineer a situation where there is a huge demand for what it is that you've got, that's when you're really in the driver's seat of your future and where it is that you want to go.
Hey guys, we're coming to you from lockdown in Melbourne. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, share it with a friend. We're dropping a video like this every day on YouTube, and I will see you in the next video.